Hi everyone, this is Ian from SquareKicker. Today we're going to explore a lightning-fast customization for your Squarespace site, the scroll up button. SquareKicker allows you to style the button for the brand you're designing for. Let's see it in action. Open Squarespace in edit mode to get started. You can access all SquareKicker tools on a free trial, so take a minute to sign up for one if you haven't already. Scroll up buttons are found in the site-wide settings in the SquareKicker extension. Click Enable and you will see all the options for customizing your scroll up button. As you scroll down, you will see the button appear in the default position on the bottom right hand corner of your screen. You can customize the color of your button and icon. Select your icon and now choose a color. You can see these changes happening in real time. You can change the position of your button, size of your icon, size of button and border radius with your rounded corners. The pop-up delay allows you to dictate when the scroll up button appears on your page. You can select immediate, short, which is one full viewport height, or long. You can also adjust the return speed. When editing with the scroll up button, you can click on it at any time to test the feel of your changes. The scroll up button will apply to your entire site. So we've just seen how easy it is to create this favorite website design feature in Squarespace with SquareKicker. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to see what you create with SquareKicker.